Slimming clinics are losing a lot of money because of this natural juice. The colon is a part of the body that is important to always keep it clean, as it is where most of the waste circulates before being expelled from the body. Therefore, they have to have more contact with toxins or hazards that threaten our health, such as certain chronic diseases. This is the main reason why the colon should always be maintained and clean. If you have not yet motivated, let us know that having a dirty colon is also related to being overweight, so if you want to thin your body a little, having a clean colon should be completely essential. However, the process of colon cleansing in certain places is usually really costly, so let's share with you an ideal recipe to cleanse the colon and at the same time, lose weight. Before revealing the recipe, we must tell you that the colon is more than a waste transit station. This is responsible for extracting nutrients from food before being completely discarded. If the colon is dirty, these waste takes time to be expelled from your body, therefore, it is infected with bad toxins and compromises the body completely. If you want to know more about this drink, then we will show you how it is prepared. Drink to cleanse the colon and lose weight. You will need the following ingredients: 2 pieces of pineapple, 2 oranges, a lemon, an aloe, an apple, a small cucumber. Preparation: you should put all the ingredients in the blender. In the case of aloe, you must remove the crystals from the inside and mix until a homogeneous drink is obtained, that is, when all the ingredients have been fully integrated. Drink for 15 days, always half an hour before breakfast. You will notice how the abdomen is diminishing in a very simple and natural way. It is very easy to do and will help you in many ways. We hope you enjoyed the information. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3.